happy birthday, oh, hey, happy birthday. Ladies and gentlemen, today on this great day, many years ago, heaven was in celebration and earth was in jubilation because a gift was given to human. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to celebrate my father, my spiritual father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman. And today, I want to go to the market to hear what people really know and what people will say about my father, Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman. So join me as we go on this journey. God bless you. So as you can see, we are live at Uchi Market. So join me as we get into the market and get to know what these market people will say about Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman. Let's go.
Take good care of me. What would I have done?
He's a great man of God. He's a helper. He's someone can go to in need of help. He's a spiritual man. That's the way I know him. He's very great. He's someone that is very popular, that someone can rely on. Yes, that's the kind of person we need to see from a great man of God. We don't just call people man of God. We check what they are made up of. And this demand that many people want to see more of him, want to learn from him. He's a helper. We do help people in the street. That he give privilege to people to come to his church. If you have attended his church once, you know what I'm saying.
Wow. So thank you so much and God bless you. Mama, good evening. No? Do you know Apostle Johnson Suleman?
My father.
Is your father?
I don't play with him.
She says she don't play with Apostle Suleman. So Mama, he said?
He's my spiritual father.
Wow. So Mama, 30 seconds. Tell us about Apostle Johnson Suleman.
A lot. He's a good man. In fact, he's a wonderful man. He's a God-fearing. So I don't know how we'll compare. He's a good man.
This ouch.
Wow. Another person is a God sent to Auchi. So ladies and gentlemen, if I'm to go around the market, I can tell you I will ask everybody and you keep hearing good things about my father down to the market. So once again, Dad, I want to say happy birthday to you. We love you as your children and we'll continue to love you. Once again, happy birthday, sir.